Alright, here we have a York Stellar and Trane XE1000, both of which are rotted to hell. Not surprising because these are right on the water. This thing doesn't even have a fan anymore, pretty much. It's all rusted to hell. Looks like that might be Bristol, maybe. Yeah, this thing is not surprising condition since it's around the water. Data seems to be legible. Let's see if I can get that. I'll have to look at that later, but had that on the Trane. It's a 2005 ton. Yeah, that thing is bad. They are both very bad. Tag on the motor's coming off too. Figured I'd get a quick video of these old beasts, and thanks for watching.